vlogging. I know a lot of people do like vlogs, and I kind of want to do weekly vlogs. So we're listening to the Olympics because like that's just the way I do. I love the Olympics. But here is like my vanity, or what I consider like my vanity. So it's just an old desk that I had, and then I had like this little storage container that I bought from Target, and then this, which looks like an Alexa drawer or Alex drawer, I can't remember what it's called, from IKEA, but it's actually like a dupe for it that you can find at Michael's. But yeah, so my makeup collection has expanded quite a lot as of late. Oh, and then I have this little guy that's like a bathroom organizer thing that I just use in here because when we first moved in, I didn't have this guy, so I used to put some stuff in there, and I just haven't gotten rid of it. I'll probably get rid of it when we move again, to be honest. But yeah, so today I'm trying to clean up my vanity a little bit, and I have to sit down, and I think we're gonna do our taxes tonight. And yeah, so I don't really know what else I have going on in life, but I figured I'll Hey, you want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the vlog, family? Oh, yeah. They can say hi. So, Banjo, are you hungry? Do you want some dinner? Okay. Let's go get some dinner. Can you sit? Good boy. Okay, so it's been quite a while, so it's like 8 o'clock now. Last time I talked to you guys, it was like 3-ish, 4-ish, 4:30-ish. I can't remember exactly. It was something around that time. And I had just done cleaning my little like vanity-ish area, the place I keep all my makeup. So my husband and I sat down to do our taxes. And I got very frustrated. Doing taxes frustrates me, but I hate also paying to have taxes prepped for me. Like, I know people get paid to do it, and people go to school and they have this education on how to do it and stuff, but like, it's just one of those things that I really, really hate paying people to do. There's a lot of things in this world that I hate paying people to do, and that just happens to be one of them. So I insist upon doing them my own, or by myself, and we usually use like TurboTax to do it. Really, Banjo? Don't lick the camera again. Stop it. Stop. Please. But it's not going well. Like, that's how I feel. So I stopped. I wanted to file our taxes early this year. I'll revisit it on my next day off, because I'm irritated. So we spent like 3 hours on that. And we were so hungry. So we ordered Domino's for dinner. And they forgot to give us our breadsticks. And I didn't even know this. I didn't even know my husband ordered breadsticks. But apparently he ordered breadsticks. So he had to call them and say that we didn't get our breadsticks. And now we're waiting on them to come back with our breadsticks. But I'm just going to spend the rest of my evening watching the Olympics, which I love, and editing a video, and trying to upload it tonight. So it really won't be anything fun or exciting. The video is going to be on this makeup look that I had done. It's like a super quick Valentine's Day makeup look. It'll be like up, and Valentine's Day will be over before you guys ever see this, so it won't even be a big deal. But if you guys are interested in the makeup look, it did have false lashes and a cute little lipstick with it. So if you guys are interested in it, you can go check it out on my channel. But yeah. So leave me in the comments below. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite event in the Winter Olympics is. If you are a huge Olympics person. I love them. I know a lot of people don't like them, or they just don't find them as fascinating as what I do. But if you're a huge fan of the Olympics, then let me know in the comments down below what your favorite event is. Mine is probably, I don't know, I love figure skating because I just think it's so fascinating to see these people do all these sort of things. But I also love snowboarding because, I don't know, it's like a big toss-up between the two. But it's like the half-pipe snowboarding. I like all snowboarding, but the half-pipe is probably my favorite. Okay, so I will see you guys later. Hello everyone. So it is Tuesday, February 13th? Today is Mardi Gras. So if you, are in New Orleans, so if you live in New Orleans like I do, the whole freaking place shuts down for Mardi Gras. So most businesses are closed. Kids are out of school for the next week. Like, they give them an entire week off for Mardi Gras. Like I said, businesses shut down. The government is not working today. Everybody is focused on Fat Tuesday. So I'm not a local here, so I did Mardi Gras last year. We went out last year with a bunch of friends, and I mean, it was okay. I wasn't super duper fascinating or anything like that. It was just kind of like okay. I liked bar hopping around downtown and going down to the bars on Bourbon Street, but I don't really like the being in the street, seeing the parades, all of that type of stuff. I just don't think it's necessarily worth it. But I think if you grew up down here, or you were Catholic, one, grew up down here, or you had a really strong tie to the heritage and the meaning of it, I think it would also be different. But I'm not Catholic, so for me, Mardi Gras, you know, it isn't like the end of Lent or anything like that for me, and I don't have the heritage with it, and I obviously didn't grow up here, so for me it's just kind of like 3 strikes, and I'm happy I did it, but I don't really want to do it again. But in honor of Fat Tuesday, which is what day it is today, however, when you guys see this, Mardi Gras will have been over. I got these. So we really try not to keep ice cream in the house or sugar in the house or anything like that, which, I mean, it still sneaks in. Let's be real here. We aren't like a no sugar household. But these are pretty good. So they're just the vanilla and chocolate kind. I really like the ones that come in mint. But they're only 160 calories per sandwich, which really isn't that bad. Here's like the nutrition facts on it. So compared to regular ice cream sandwiches, they really aren't that bad. So right now it is 4 o'clock. I haven't vlogged all day. It has been my day off. I always have Tuesdays off. But I've just kind of been doing some errands, doing some housework. Nothing that was too fancy or important necessarily. Nothing that I wanted to film or share with you guys. Just super duper boring stuff. So right now I'm probably going to go chill out on the couch and try and edit a video and watch some Olympics. And yeah, I don't know what else I might end up doing. I was supposed to film a video today, and I just don't feel like that's happening. Check out my double chin action. Instead, I might just eat all 6 of these sandwiches, which really defeats the purpose of getting the Skinny Cow ones because I'm still pigging out. But hey, it's Fat Tuesday, right?